regard, we are going for a pledging conference on the 9th of January, United Nations and Pakistan government sponsored pledging conference, and we plan to talk to the diplomatic corps on this, but I find this a good opportunity of raising this issue that Pakistan does need support. Pakistan needs support in its relief activities, and Pakistan needs support to rebuild better, to have climate resilient buildings, so that any future catastrophes like this, and there are going to be rains, the climate change will bring us more disasters, but we have to be better prepared for these, and our people have to be better prepared, and we need international help for this. Experts are now studying the convergence of climate change and national security. As you know, climate change has ravaged our country during the recent floods. Bringing relief to people displaced by floods and made homeless has been a major challenge for our government. But we have put our hearts and souls in the efforts to retrieve their homes and livelihoods and to rehabilitate them. The government of Sindh has been a leading force in enacting progressive legislation in many spheres. We have given legal protection to women, minorities, the marginalized, and children. Over the last few years, we have adopted many pro-women laws. Sindh was the first province to enact a law against domestic violence. We have a law against child marriages, the only province, I believe, which has a law. I don't know if the other province. We were the first province for sure. I don't know if the other provinces have followed or not. We actually enacted a law for forced conversion or measures against forced conversion, and that has been stuck up. I've recently formed a committee to talk to ulamas and to make sure that their concerns are addressed, and we pass this law against forced conversion. We've got several other progressive laws for labor, for the farmers, and Sindh in legislation has been in the forefront, and we've led the other provinces. Ladies and gentlemen, I wish the best of support for this conference. I hope that the recommendations emerging from the conference will help in formulation of policies which can help to resolve contemporary problems. I appreciate the efforts of Dr. Masuma Hassan, Chairperson of the Pakistan Institute of International Affairs, its council members, and a team for academic achievements, and wish them continued success for the future. Once again, thank you very much for inviting me here. It's a pleasure and honor for me. I would have liked to spend some more time here, but unfortunately, because I have to